students, today I am going to give you a short recap of this chapter, A Day at the Swamp, which we have already discussed, because there can be small one-word questions or answer in one sentence, which can be given to you to answer in your question paper. So here, as the title says, A Day at the Swamp. So we are in this chapter. There is an incident which happened with three cousins dinosaur, and they were Belinda, Danny, and Ben. Means Belinda is Brontosaurus, Danny is Diplodocus, and Brachiosaurus. So one day, this Diplodocus means Danny asked to play hide and seek at the swamp, but it was not possible for these cousins to play hide and seek. As you can see, that they are very taller than the trees, than any of the trees. Okay, because of their long neck, they were so tall. Even their height goes 90 feet above. So it was not possible for them to play hide and seek. So they decided to play chasing game. Okay, so it was decided that they will not go far from the swamp, but while playing chasing game they had entered into a forest. Okay, and why it was dangerous for them to reach there? Because they are sauropods, herbivore, which are only comfortable at the swamp, but if it is difficult for them to run away if any danger occurs because of their heavy structure. It was difficult for them to move or run faster with their 4 feet, heavy body and thick legs. But there what happened, a danger comes means there they met a dinosaur who was a carnivore and who also eats other dinosaurs. So it roared upon them and it ran towards them to attack upon him. And this, you can see yourself the difference in their body structure, that this tyrannosaur has its web kind of feet and it can stand like a kangaroo on 2 feet. Okay, while this sauropod are having very thick body and 4 feet thick, 4 feet. So it is difficult for them to run faster. So Tyrannosaurus was able to run faster than sauropods, and as it is comfortable for it to run with its 2 webbed kind of feet, and it has a very 8 inches long teeth, which is enough to tear any kind of animal, any creature which it gets. Okay, so it was coming to attack them, but as these 3 cousins were running, they were crying while running that why we have entered here, and oh God, please let us just first reach to the swamp, because once they will enter into the water, they'll glide inside, and they knew that the tyrannosaur is not able to dive into the water, and it will be easy for sauropod to glide inside the water, as water wave will take them away from the tyrannosaur and their body will become light in the water. So they were running very fast, moaning and crying, and while Tyrannosaurus was continuously chasing them by roaring and making sounds. But anyhow, Ben, Danny and Belinda had entered to the swamp, and the Tyrannosaurus was not able to catch them. Maybe the reason is that Tyrannosaurus was so far from them, the distance was so far, and maybe because when we run to save our life, then we run at our best level. So that's how these 3 cousins were able to run and save their life. And that's all about this whole chapter, A Day at the Swamp. And now you should be able to answer the short question or long question, right, if you have understood it very well. And now your homework is that you have to find out who said to whom from this chapter. So read this chapter very thoroughly and do find the difficult word because there are many to find, and also find out their meanings. Thank you. Till then, take care.